JSR moisture meters, moisture analyzers. When you unpack the moisture analyzer, you will find 5 things. One is the pan holder, one pan holder again, and one calibrating weight, and one main sleeve. First, you install the pan holder. First, you place it without rotating it. Just place it. After that, you will place the pan holder. Pan lifter, you can say pan lifter. After that, you can place the pan inside. Now your equipment is ready to use. Close the chamber, and its power on off button is here. You can see here, we switch on the power. You can show the power option is there on touch screen. We press the power button. It's power up now. After that, you see on the screen, on touch screen, so many options that time heating, if you want any particular time bound heatings, moisture, auto heating, if you want bond dry moisture, latest record, you can check record or record history. If you want to calibrate the equipment, first you press cal. It shows clock cal or weight cal. Clock cal, no need, but if you want to check cal, weight cal, open the cover of the equipment and press weight cal. It shows load weight 100 gram. I place gently on the platform. Now it's calibrating. It shows calibrating. Now it shows remove the weight. Yes. Please wait. When it's returned to home screen, it means it's calibrated. Now I have some samples of corrugated box or paper. I have some sample of corrugated box. So I we use auto heating because we want to know about the bone dry sample. If there is note 0, press there. It's become 0. Then I place the samples to the platform. More than 3 grams sample I will place here.